Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay until the end as we uncover the truth. Can the Remini app truly enhance your old photos in 2024? Let's dive in. What is Remini? It's a photo enhancement app that uses AI to restore old, blurry, or low quality images. Available on iOS and Android, Remini promises to bring your memories back to life by sharpening details and improving resolution with just a few taps. How does it work? The process is incredibly simple. Upload a photo, select the enhancement tool, and let the app's AI do its magic. Within seconds, you'll see a transformed version of your image, often with surprising clarity. The pros: Remini is great for restoring old family photos, enhancing selfies, or fixing poorly taken images. It's incredibly fast, and the results can be jaw-dropping, especially for older faded pictures. For creatives and everyday users, it's an easy way to add polish to their photo collection. The cons: while the app is free to download, many features require a subscription or in-app purchases. Some users also report overly smoothed or exaggerated enhancements, which might not suit every taste. Additionally, the free version has limits on how many photos you can enhance per day. So, is it worth it in 2024? If you frequently work with old photos or want a quick and easy way to improve image quality, Remini is a solid choice. Its AI technology is impressive, but the subscription cost and occasional over-editing may not appeal to everyone. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Remini and what you think of its results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.